So what type of moisturizer do you need? Well, there are various moisturizers out there, from creams and lotions to ointments and oil-based moisturizers. So an ointment made of wax, fat, and plant oils is probably not a moisturizer you want to use on your face regularly because it's so sticky and it can stain your clothes. But creams, lotions, and oil-based moisturizers can be really great options. So creams and lotions are emulsions that contain hydrophilic and hydrophobic ingredients. So a cream is thicker and more viscous, while a lotion is thinner. So for both creams and lotions, they're made by emulsifying oil into water or water into oil. And they must be blended together because they aren't soluble or miscible. So a cream or a lotion has a fine dispersion of minute water droplets of one liquid into another liquid, like oil into water. So my partner Dakota makes a face moisturizer that he just loves and that I really like as well. He uses jojoba oil, vegetable glycerin. We use palm oil-free glycerin from Aromatics International, boiled water, beeswax, and lecithin. Lecithin is a great ingredient to use because it doesn't damage the intercellular lipids in the moisturizer. So to find these ingredients zero waste, you can get the beeswax locally from a beekeeper that you know and trust. Jojoba oil you can get in glass bottles or on Amazon, or if you're lucky, you can get unpackaged jojoba oil at your zero waste store. Lecithin you can get from Natural Nutra because it's sunflower based and non-GMO as opposed to soy based. So to make this amazing face moisturizer, in a water bath you will melt 5.5 tablespoons of jojoba oil, 1 tablespoon of beeswax, and a 1/4 teaspoon of lecithin. Separately, while it's melting, you'll mix 5.5 tablespoons of hot water and 3 tablespoons of glycerin. Then you'll take the jojoba beeswax lecithin mix off the stove once everything is melted. The moment you see the beeswax start to harden on the edges of your bowl, grab your stick blender and begin blending. Then you'll slowly add the glycerin water mix and keep blending it little by little. The longer you mix, the fluffier it will get, and it will eventually form a cream. So all the water will be taken up into the cream if you blend it long enough, and then you transfer it to a glass jar and you let it sit 20 to 30 minutes with the lid on. So if at this point you see any excess water that didn't incorporate properly, then you simply pour it out, and once it's cool, you can apply it to your face. I really like this moisturizer for nighttime especially because it can leave your skin looking a little shiny, but it's amazingly luxurious. I love it. When massaging moisturizer into your skin, you're stimulating blood flow, and it doesn't really matter what method you use, but Christina likes to use her index and middle finger and apply the moisturizer in circular motions and include her neck as well. An oil-based moisturizer is another type of moisturizer, but it doesn't actually have all that many moisturizing advantages. It's a thin oil-based product that can be applied to the face after cleansing. The ingredients are meant to optimize the availability of the active agent in the oils, like a vitamin or a plant extract, for example. And the oil-based moisturizer can help you target concerns like acne or wrinkles prior to applying the lotion moisturizer. So if you wanted to, you could simply use jojoba oil on your face. So of course, do a patch test first. Otherwise, Meow Meow Tweet has an oil moisturizer that smells divine, and it is well worth a try as well. And then Raw Elements also has this tinted facial moisturizer. It's SPF 30, and you can use it in place of foundation, and it's just really nice. Raw Elements. It's not this one, it's this one. Nope. And I'm actually wearing it right now, so I can look amazing for y'all.